Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Easy to Learn, where we make English simple and enjoyable. Today's topic is something most learners struggle with: speaking English fluently. You might understand English when you listen or read, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank and words come out slowly. Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to millions of learners. The good news is that fluency is not magic or talent. It's a skill that anyone can build with practice. So in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to improve your conversation skills and start speaking confidently in English. Let's begin. Step 1. Fluency is a skill, not a gift. Some people think you have to be born good at languages. But fluency isn't a gift, it's a habit. Think about learning to ride a bike or play guitar. At first, you fall, you wobble, you make mistakes. But when you keep practicing, it becomes automatic. Speaking English is the same. You'll forget words, you'll pause, you'll say things incorrectly. That's fine. Every fluent speaker began exactly that way. The only difference between them and you is time and daily effort. So instead of thinking, I'm bad at English, remind yourself, I'm training my English muscles. Step 2. Start small and simple. Many beginners try to sound advanced too soon, using big words or speaking fast. But that only adds pressure and blocks your progress. Start with short, clear sentences. Use words you already know. If you forget a word, explain it with others. For example, if you don't remember chef, say the person who cooks food in a restaurant. That's still good communication. The goal isn't perfection, it's connection. When people understand you, you've succeeded. Your English will grow naturally as you gain confidence. Step 3. Listen before you speak. Before words can come out of your mouth, they must go into your ears. Listening is the foundation of speaking. When you listen to English every day, your brain learns how sentences sound, how words connect, and what rhythm real conversation has. Even if you understand only half, that's okay. Your brain is learning patterns. So listen to English podcasts, shows, or YouTube videos daily. Don't stress about every word. Focus on the sound, the flow, and the feeling of English. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes later. Step 4. The power of repetition. Repetition is the secret key to fluency. When you repeat phrases and sentences many times, your brain builds strong, fast connections. If you hear something once, it fades. If you hear it 10 times, it sticks. Try this. Pick a short English video and listen to it several times in a week. Each time, focus on something new: meaning, new words, pronunciation, rhythm. Then, shadow it. Speak along with the speaker. It will feel strange at first, but it trains your mouth, your ear, and your brain at the same time. Just like exercising at the gym, repetition strengthens your English muscles. Step 6. Practice every day, even alone. You don't need a native speaker to practice. You can practice by yourself every single day. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, walking, or getting ready for bed. Describe what you're doing or what you see. Ask and answer simple questions out loud. For example, what am I doing? I'm making dinner. I'm cutting vegetables. I'm listening to music. This self-talk helps you start thinking in English and makes speaking feel more natural. Just 15 minutes daily is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Consistency always wins. Step 7. Understand real fluency. Fluency doesn't mean speaking super fast or perfectly. It means speaking clearly and naturally, without long pauses or panic. At first, you'll translate from your native language. That's okay. Later, you'll remember full phrases instead of single words. And one day, you'll speak automatically without thinking about grammar. That's real fluency, and it grows from constant listening, repetition, and daily speaking. Here's a simple 3-month plan you can start today. Listen to 10 to 15 minutes of slow English every day. Repeat the same episode 3 times during the week. Shadow 1 to 2 minutes of it after the second listen. Speak out loud every day, even alone. Review useful conversation phrases. Follow this plan for 3 months. You'll notice big changes. You'll understand more, reply faster, and feel more confident every week. Final thoughts. Speaking English is a journey, not a race. It's okay if you speak slowly. It's okay if your sentences aren't perfect. Every time you speak, you move forward. With daily listening, lots of repetition, and regular speaking, your English will grow stronger and smoother. And one day, you'll realize you're not thinking about English anymore. You're just speaking it. That day will come because of the small steps you start today. Thank you for watching English Easy to Learn. What's your biggest challenge with English listening? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to help you in a future video. And if you found this lesson useful, subscribe for more and make sure to like. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. See you next time, and happy learning!